Hi mga ka-trivia mo! Yes, oo, tama kayo. Oo, nanalo na kayo. Well, ano pa bang magagawa ko? Pero gumawa na ako ng video para sa inyo. Love ko kayo. Of course, alam ko na kung ano yung topic. Alam ko namang alam nyo na kung ano yung topic na to. Pero sasabihin ko pa rin, ito ang TikTok 101. Well, alam kong excited na kayo kung paano gumamit ng TikTok. But before ko kayo turuan, gusto ko lang, alam nyo, i-discuss saan ba nanggaling yung TikTok? Sino ba gumawa nito? Ano ba ito? Diba? At saka kung ano yung mga classification genre na pwedeng gawin dito sa TikTok na yun para ma-enjoy nyo. Kaya ngayon, huwag kayong matutulog. Walang matutulog girls for today's video dahil ginusto nyo to. Pero ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara na, let's go!
TikTok is one of the most popular and most interesting social media apps on the planet. Why? Simply because you can be creative using this app by doing short videos of any topic you like. Currently, TikTok is available in over 150 countries with over 1 billion users and has been downloaded over 200 million times in the United States alone.
Pero, saan nga ba nagsimula ang lahat? Simulan natin sa bansang ito. Yes, tama kayo. Nagsimula ang TikTok sa bansa China. We all know that China is known for the world's factories since they are the manufacturing powerhouse. Halos lahat ng products all over the world ay made in China. Mapa household furniture, clothes, electronic gadgets, and etc. Pero hindi lang sila dito competitive. They are also known sa larangan ng IT world and they are considered as the world's second largest digital economy na pumapangalawa sa United States. Kaya hindi rin natin maitatanggi na isa sila sa mga competitive countries na gumagawa ng iba't ibang digital applications na na-enjoy natin ngayon tulad na lamang ng TikTok. Ngayon, sino nga ba ang tao sa likod ng popular application na TikTok? Si Red. Well, I know gusto niyo na malaman kung sino yun. Kitang-kita ko sa mga mata niya, excited na kayo. So, hindi ko na pagdadamot. Ito na. Siya lang naman ang nag-iisang Zhang Wow! Yaman yan. Sobrang yaman yan ngayon. Tropa ko yun eh. The chart. Pero ito, i-discuss ko sa inyo ang timeline kung paano ba nabuo ang TikTok. Grabe no? Imagine mo yung timeline ng TikTok from 2017 until ngayong taon. Pataas ang pataas, patuloy silang sumisikat. And hindi ko masisisi na yung mga big companies like IG and Facebook, they're trying to imitate the interface of TikTok. Nakikita nyo yan, meron na silang Reels. Ewan ko, nakagamit na ako sa IG nun. Which is madali rin naman gamitin. Pero of course, mas nakakatuwa pa rin yun sa original, which is yung TikTok. Anyway, gusto ko na i-share sa inyo yung top content classification na meron ang TikTok. Ito yung mga classification na laging nagtitrending, kaya ito na yung mga ginawa nila. Kaya, watch this.
Terry, magkunwari tayong nasa show mo. Pero ako ang host. Ikaw ang guest. Ang title ng show, Ikapitong Utos. Huwag kang makikiapid. May isang tanong lang ako sa'yo. Prangkahin mo sana ako. May relasyon ba kayo ng asawa ko?
Relasyon?
Relasyon. Querida Kabet number 2 mistress, relasyon. Terry! Huwag mo akong ma-Terry!
I want to make it right now. It's slightly, whether it's slightly, want our hands together, eye to eye through the storm. Yeah, I still believe in ever after with you. Yeah.
Gang! Gang!
One Moco. Shout out sa'yo. Ito na ex mo ngayon. Ito ako noong
Here's a new TikTok challenge. Screenshot your lock screen to let other people know what they would see if they picked up your phone.
I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to.
Diba ang ganda ng mga videos ko? Gusto niyo yun? Well, eto na. After ng video na yan, mas gusto niyo na tong part na to. Ito yung part ng tutorial time! So, panoorin niyo tong video na susunod na to.
To start off, download the app from Google Play or Apple Store. Once you open the app, you will see that there are gender options asking if you're a female, male, or non-binary. After choosing your gender, you will be directed to a list of interests that TikTok has recommended. And you may choose how many interests you may like, as this will be their basis of choosing the right TikTok videos for you. Once completed with the survey, you will be navigated to your FYP or the For You page. This page will give you wide arrays of TikTok videos patterned to your liking. These are random videos from all over the world. Next is the following page. These are the videos created by the people you are following. Currently, there are no videos since we don't have any account yet, but TikTok will suggest the trending creators for you to follow. For account creation, go to profile and then click login and sign up, and then you will see a list of different options for creating an account. In today's video, I use my mobile number to create my TikTok account. After choosing your preferred account creation option, you will be asked for your birthday and then click next. This time, you will need to enter your mobile number and then click send code. Once you get the code, kindly fill it up and then it will automatically direct you to creating your password. Once finished in creating your password, you will be directed in creating your preferred username account. And once you're finished, you may click Sign Up. Congratulations! You have your own TikTok account. And now for the last one, I'm gonna show you a simple video tutorial. First, click the button with the plus sign in the middle bottom and then choose Upload. In this section, you will have two choices between videos and photos. But right now, I'm gonna use my stored videos in my gallery. Then proceed to Next. Here in this page, you will have different tools that will help you to edit your video. The first one is the filter icon, which you will find in the upper right side. Next, after the filter, you're gonna see the Adjust Clips icon. Then next, you will bump with voiceover icon, which is very useful in creating your content. There's also an enhance option for your video after the voiceover. Last option in the right side corner would be your noise reduction, which is very helpful if you have a noisy background. Now, let's jump into the lower portion. You'll see you'll have a music icon which you can choose your preferred music for your content. Next one is the effect button. They have options for visual, motion, sticker, transition, split, and type. The third one is the text box, which will help you in adding text in your content videos. You'll see they have different font styles and alignments, which are very aesthetic and can really give you a pro vibe. The last option is the sticker. This one is so cute, cause you'll have the power to put creative stickers in your content, making it more artistic in every way. After editing your videos, you can now click Next. In this next page, you can put descriptions and hashtags in your TikTok videos. And you may also add location if you want. In this page, you can also set up your privacy setting, giving you way in setting up your audience. They also have an on and off buttons for duet, comment, stitch, and also for saving your videos directly in your phone gallery. Then, if you feel that everything is good, you may now click Post. And that's it! You are now a pro video editor.
O ba? Napakadali lang gumamit ng TikTok. Sabi ko sa inyo kayang-kaya nyo gumamit ng TikTok Ano pang natin nyo? Gumawa na kayo ng video. I-edit nyo, gamitin yung TikTok para mahasa pa yung skills nyo. And then post it. Malay nyo, kayo na maging next big thing here in the Philippines. And malay nyo pa sa international waters. Maging international sensation kayo. Tapos ipapost natin yung picture portrait nyo dyan sa may EDSA, sa may billboard. Sikat. So, dyan lang nagtatapos yung topic ko about TikTok 101. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. I hope marami kayong natutunan. Thanks again, everyone. Bye!